Thanks for watching. I'm going to show you guys how to sync your Amazon remote, make the volume work, make the power work real quick and easy. Let's do this. First, you're going to click on the icon that has the person with the gear next to it. Then you're going to click on equipment control. And next it's going to take you to the screen. You're going to click on manage equipment. Then you're going to click on TV. Then click on change TV. Then you're going to click on change. Then it's going to say please wait. And then it's going to update it. You're going to click on your TV brand. Mine is Sony. Your Fire Team remote has been updated. Push OK. And now your volume should work. Now you're going to test your TV. Make sure it powers off. Power's back on. And now your volume works. If this video helped you out, just give me a thumbs up. That's all I ask. Thanks for watching.